Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, I've tried to do this video so many times, but the pissing GoPros keep corrupting the files, like they're so temperamental. So anyway, I thought I'd do an update on the S3. I have been busy with it in the background. So what have we done? So first of all, I was on about upgrading the brakes, and I was talking about maybe getting forward 6 pots or Tarox 8 pots, and obviously bigger discs. However, I got pointed to Vajbrem Technic drill discs, so I've put them on, give them a try. We've got Frodo race pads all around. I did try and do a video on doing the disc change and the pads all around. It was really dark in the garage for one, and again GoPros just kept turning off and on by themselves. I mean, check this out. Okay, for this we go to Toasty. Yeah, wouldn't have made a good video that, would it? So yeah, so 9-day difference. So together with the discs and the race pads, we've got racing line fluid in now. It's DOT 4.1. It's got a higher boiling temperature than obviously the stock brake fluid. And I've got to say, night and day difference. Absolutely night and day difference. Brakes.
That is mad. Oh my god, the brakes are sick, aren't they?
And to be honest, they handle the power really well. Unless you're driving around with a splinter in your eye, you know, really hell for leather everywhere. That's really all you need for the road. It really is. So anyway, apart from that, we've put spacers on the car now, so I'm running 20mm on the rear, 15 on the front. So obviously the car's 40mm wider on the rear, 30mm on the front. There was quite a difference on the handling. Obviously with it being wider now, car just feels more hunkered down. I wasn't going to do a video on fitting spacers, because fitting spacers is, you take your wheel off, you put the spacer on, wheel back on. Wouldn't have made a good video, would it really? Not a very interesting one. So yeah, anyway, what else have we done? So some of you might know that we did a custom back box mod on this. So we opened the back box, we took out the restriction, we welded in, essentially straight piped the car when the valves are open. So we have done a couple of prototypes, messing around with different size pipes and different sort of angles and stuff. So the one I've got on now, it actually sounds amazing. So it sounds like a bloody jet fighter when you put your foot down now. Either that or Madeleine McCann screaming. Anyway, I'll try if the traffic's free. I'll give you a little example. So I don't know if you can hear this. Proper screams now. Anyway, the main purpose of this video today is I bought a Powerflex Dogbone mount. Now this is a hybrid Dogbone mount. It essentially fits over your the stock one and stiffens things up. Now, people have told me this was an amazing mod, and to be honest, I mean, it cost me, I think it was about 30 quid. I was looking at it thinking, you know, how big a difference can this make? And I've got to say, an amazing difference. So now you cannot, and I mean it when I say this, you cannot feel the gear changes anymore. So in stock form, I mean, I've got obviously a stage 3 gearbox tune on this. In stock form, particularly when you're going from a second to first, i.e. when you're slowing down, it's a bit clunky. Same if you're going into reverse, sometimes it clunks. And then obviously when you're driving it normally, you put your foot down, you're getting this pull sensation from it, which, you know, it's normal, so, like most standard cars are. However, now, I mean, I'll change gear, nothing. You just cannot feel those gears. Cannot feel it. It's absolutely amazing mod, it really is. Now, the only trade-off for this, and I went for the black one. So basically on the Powerflex, they do different colours, which is different U-tensile strength on obviously the bung. Now I went for the black, which is the race spec. Now the trade-off for having this Dogbone mount is when the car is sort of ticking over, or when you come to a junction and the car, you know, drops down to just under 1k, there is a small vibration through the vehicle. Obviously, because what you're doing is you're taking away that lateral movement from the engine and gearbox to the chassis, so it's almost becoming one. So yeah, I mean, it's not annoying, it's not a deal breaker, it's just some people might not like it. I don't mind it that much, but I mean, I'm in traffic now, the car's changing gears, and like, you just can't feel the gear change, you really can't. So yeah, so Powerflex do them in different colours. I believe it's obviously different U-tensile strength. So you've got black, purple, red, yellow. Not entirely sure what order they're in. I imagine yellow's the softest. And probably, I don't know, purple's one down from black, red's one down from purple. I don't know, if you know, pop something in the comments. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing mod. And a very negligible amount here, but you will get quicker acceleration from it, because obviously there's no loss of energy. So when you've got that lateral movement, it's obviously energy from the engine that is somewhat getting wasted as you put your foot down and change gear, blah blah blah. But when you've not got that lateral movement, it means, you know, that all that energy is going to your wheels essentially, or you know, it's going to the drivetrain. I hate traffic. Absolutely hate traffic. So anyway, yeah, so here's a little video of fitting it. It's fairly simple to do. Ideally you need a ramp. You probably could do it with just jacking the car up. But yeah, it literally takes 2 minutes to fit. Anyway, here we go. So here's what we're going to be fitting today. So it's a Powerflex, so this is called a hybrid Dogbone mat, because it literally slides over your original, just stiffens things up. I mean, apparently this is an amazing mod. Can't see how much of a difference it's going to make, but I guess we'll find out, won't we? So literally it slides over your Dogbone mount using the same bolt. Obviously this goes on top, the original bolt goes through there, and that holds it all together. So yeah, I think I paid about 30 quid, something like that. Now there are two different variations, so you do need to find out what mount you have and get the right one. So anyway, without further ado, let's get it on the car and see if it makes any difference. I'm not entirely convinced it's going to make a huge difference, but apparently it does. Let's find out. First things first, we're going to remove our bolt with the Ugga Dugga. Like so. And then, I mean, it looks really tight, that. Might have to grease it up a bit. And it should slide over. That is mega tight. There we go. I'm in the right places. Apparently, it's as simple as that. But yeah, it's tight. I guess that's doing its job though, isn't it? So then, let's get this right way round, goes in there. Wondering how it's going to pull tight. Find out. There we go. So that is that fade. Right, first drive. Let's see if this Dogbone mount has made any difference. Well, first of all, I can feel a lot more vibration coming through into the cabin, which is to be expected. I mean, it's still on a bit of a cold start at the moment. Wait for that to finish. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but there is quite a bit of so yeah, so there is the Dogbone mount. Really good mod. I really highly recommend it. I know why everyone raves about it now. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us some love in the comment section down below. I know I haven't done I haven't done videos in the S3 for a while now. I have got 2 projects underway. More videos from them after this. And we have got as well a good video on a Fiesta ST 150. Whoa, hold on a minute. So this one's been turboed, so it rocks a Subaru TD04 IHI roller bearing turbo. So yeah, thanks to all of you that have subscribed and give me support, message me. Love you loads, and we'll see you in the next one.
Honestly, I'm not a good passenger.
I'm going in a straight line. It's four-wheel drive. Come on, feel it. Come on.
I'm in 175 in that. No, I can't do it, honestly.
Come on. Stop. I'm going in a straight line. I'm not going to do any corners or anything like that. Come on. Have you?
Well, how fast are you going to go?
Like
I'm not a good passenger either, but fucking, he's alright. I'm not. I'm just not good. You like it? It's like going up a road, so I'm a cliff or what? That's right, it's just like jumping out of a blade. Not been that fast in a while.